again, my name is Michael and I'm your instructor for today. What's your name?
My name is Sophia.
Sophia, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Michael.
We are now in the cockpit of Boeing 737-800 aircraft. You will fly it today. The main control of this aircraft is the yoke. When we move the yoke, the nose of airplane will go up. If we push the yoke, it will go down. If you need to go to the left, what will you do?
I should turn it to the left, I guess.
Absolutely right. And if you turn to the right, it will go to the right. The second control of this airplane is throttle levers. If we move levers forward, you can hear the engines.
Yeah.
The RPMs are rising and the thrust increasing. If we will move it backwards, RPMs drop, thrust drops, and aircraft will slow down. In our flight, we will use automatic thrust, like the speed control of the car. You just set the required speed here. It measured in knots, and for takeoff we will need safety speed. It's called V2. It is 144. Set here 144.
144?
Yes. And this switch up.
This one.
Yes, automatic thrust. It's ready for takeoff.
Oh, that's great.
Okay, here is our heading. We need to set heading for takeoff 260 degrees. Set 260.
160. Let's do that.
Okay, and this is our altitude. We need to climb to 5,000 feet. Set 5,000.
5,000.
Okay, great. Okay, we are almost ready for takeoff. We need to turn on these 4 landing lights. Turn it on. Great, and turn off only this taxi light. The next one, auto brake to reject the takeoff. If something goes wrong, automatic will help us to stop the airplane onto the runway. And we will check that everything is okay. We will read before takeoff checklist. Flaps, it's our flaps position, flaps 5 and green light is on, stabilizer trim, 6.5 units, everything is okay. Before takeoff checklist completed.
Great.
Now we are ready for takeoff. Your right hand on the throttle, please. Move it slightly forward. Look here, we need 40% on left and right engine. Okay, move, hold it, and now press this small black button. It's button for takeoff and go around. Great, and one toggle. Takeoff thrust set. $80 knots, throttle hold. Continue. V1, rotate. Positive rate, gear up.
Oh, it's amazing. What's this airport, by the way?
This is Austria Innsbruck Airport.
It's very beautiful here.
We will set flaps up speed here.
Oh.
Now to the left, because here you can see big rock.
I can see it.
Yes. Flaps 1. You turn to the right, hold it, and release to neutral position. And it flies straight.
I see.
Do you see the runway in front of you?
No, I guess I can see the river.
And after the river, the gray strip with 2 red lights to the left and to the right of the runway.
Yeah, I guess I can see it. It's in the front,
Okay, great.
near the mountain.
Now we extend flaps to 15 and gear down. Set speed to 157.
157, 157.
Yes, 157 set. And we will use flaps 40 position for landing. I set flaps to 40 and you need to set speed 141 knot.
141?
Yes, 141. And we are ready for landing. Let's read the landing checklist. Landing checklist. Engine start switch continuous. Speed brake armed. Landing landing gear down, flaps 40, green light, landing checklist completed. You should see 2 white and 2 red lights, and this is the best trajectory for landing. It's quite slow. If you see 3 white lights, like you can see now, it means that you are too high. If you see 3 red lights, that means you are too low.
1,000.
We're so close to the city.
400.
2 white, 2 red, everything okay.
200. 100.
And we start to flare the
50,
airplane.
40, 30, 20, 10.
Touchdown. Speed brake up. Reverse as normal. Auto brake in use. So, you just landed the airplane. Congratulations.
Oh, great. Thanks. So great.